Hi, I'm Shaina Bulano, the laboratory technician.
Hi, I'm Zid Buenafe, a medical technologist.
Hello, I'm Mayan, a staff nurse here at Bicol Access Health Centrum, and she is...
I am Tanya Intia, also a staff nurse here in Bicol Access Health Centrum.
Hello, my name is Andres Gabriel Laguna, a registered radiologic technologist.
As a laboratory technician, ako po yung responsible sa pag-receive ng patients for extractions and receiving the specimens like urine and other specimens.
As a medical technologist, ako naman po yung nagpa-process ng mga pinapasok ng lab technician, kagaya na lang po ng blood, urine, and kung ano pa man pong specimen na pinapadala po dito sa laboratory.
Naging nurse ako kasi empathetic akong tao. That's why I also nagpili ako ng job na parang aligned doon. Kasi diba sa nursing, or pag naging nurse ka na, hindi lang siya puro adpi, like assess ka lang ng assess, give ka lang ng medication sa patient mo. Here kasi, parang magpo-provide ka rin ng tender love and care sa patient mo.
As for me naman, I think pinili ko maging nurse because it matches my personality. Since mahilig din ako na maraming ginagawa everyday, since parang hindi ako mapakali kapag wala akong ginagawa. Also, as similar sa sinabi niya, parang mahilig, parang innate na sa akin to care for other people. That's why I think being a nurse matches my personality.
On a typical day, a radiologic technologist performs medical imaging procedures with respect to patient safety from radiation. And we also assist the doctors during ultrasound procedures. A radiologic technologist performs medical imaging procedures such as X-rays, CT scan, MRI, ultrasound, mammogram, as well as many more. And these images are used by the doctors to provide proper diagnosis and treatment for the patients.
For the upcoming medtechs or lab techs, just stay focused and remember why you chose this profession.
Ipagpaigi niyo ang pag-aaral niyo kasi magagamit niyo talaga yan sa, lalo na po sa pag-work niyo, and sa mga kakatake lang dyan ng board exams or magta-take pa lang po, don't lose hope, and yun, see you soon dito sa laboratory.
Siguro ang ma-advise namin sa mga aspiring nurses is to always strive to learn and earn knowledge and skills from every day na ginagawa niyo sa work.
Tapos, advice lang pag nasa duty. Para pag may pinagawa sa inyo, gawin nyo para at least pagdating sa ospital, may idea na kayo. Kayang-kaya yan.
My advice to the future radiologic technologists out there, don't worry, you're in the right path, and because there are so many career opportunities waiting for you.
I would like to congratulate all the staff, health workers for being committed and compassionate to their work. And as we celebrate, we are very lucky to have hardworking and committed staff. Congratulations and keep the good work.